We're about to change out this shift knob on this E90 BMW, so 335xi, to the ZHP or ZXP weighted shift knob. The reason I'm changing it out is because this one's all torn up, and you can't see it right now, but my hand is all cut up from this dang shift knob. That one's about 4 inches long. This one's about 3 inches long, so we're gonna be going about an inch shorter on the height, but we'll see how it goes. So pretty much for this and most BMWs, all you have to do is grab the shift knob right there and start pulling up to take it off. We're gonna try with one person. It's really difficult. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. And if not, then we're gonna try with 2 people. There you go. Strong man. All right. So this is the factory one. This is the factory one. You wanna hold them up? That's ZHP one, that's the factory one. That's about the height difference. Yeah, I was getting cut up all over there. I really like the stock one. The only reason I didn't get the stock one again was because they're really expensive for a used one, so I'm like, might as well upgrade, all right? Put it back on, you reverse the procedures. You line up that tab with this little notch right there. And you just kind of hit down. You hear a snap in place. I heard the snap. I don't know if you heard it in the camera, but it's in place now and the shift knob is in. So that's before and after. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little lower, but it's nice. It gets the job done. The M thing looks really cool on there, but yeah, that's literally how you do it. Any questions, comment below. Let me know what you think, which one you like better. Do you like the factory height and the factory shift knob, or do you like the ZHP height and the ZHP shift knob? What do you think? Which one's better?
I like this one. This one's really nice.
Thanks for watching. Next time. Peace.